Grand Tetons, a vigorous mountain range that stretches across a small area of northwest Wyoming. Taking on the appearance of shark teeth, it could be said that the Tetons are one of, if not the most intimidating mountain range in the lower 48. For those brave enough, there are 3 peaks that stand out from the rest: South Teton, Middle Teton, and standing high above the rest at 13,770 feet, the Grand. The Tetons are notorious for bad weather that can seemingly come out of nowhere. In the summer of 2020, I successfully summited South and Middle Teton. Got the Grand Teton over there, which I'm hoping to do tomorrow, but we'll see how I'm feeling. But the Grand seemingly refused to let me climb it. I'd try again in 2021 with yet another failure as Hurricane Henri was approaching New York. But by summer of 2022, it was as if the mountains finally granted me permission. But we'd be battling a narrow weather window and would have to take on this monster of a mountain in a single push.
The time is a very early 12 o'clock in the morning. I think Jordan is waking up here pretty soon, over next to me. And we're currently at the base of the trailhead for the Grand Teton.
You can see, you look down at a couple thousand feet. So this is the crawl, and Aaron is going through it. You can see